Hello children, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 Moral Science class. Children, this is the first video of this week. In this video children, today we all will talk about the things to be a good child. Yes, we all will read about the good manners, good habit, and if you will follow these are the good habits, that it will be great for us. So children, here is some good habits, some good things to be followed. So children, one by one we all will read, and with hope you all will try to understand and you all will use in your daily life. Like children, first we all will talk about the obey your elders. Yes, obey your elders. Spelling of elders: elders, elders. Obey, respecting our elders should be courtesy ingrained in every one of us. There are some ways to obey your elders. Like children, you spend time with them and listen intensely. Yes children, many seniors get lonely whether they are retire and no longer have their work. So in that time you can spend the time with them, and also you can learn many things from them with the help of their experience. So children, this is the way to obey your elders. Now another one you can do children, like providing to an elders, take on the responsibility that you can also help them stay healthy. Now children, now after that, next one is here, be kind to everyone. Yes, next is thing that if you are kind, that this is the also way to be a good child. It means kindness is a universal, it is the universal. Sometimes being kind allow others to see the goodness in humanity, and this is the attributes. If you will be a kind, that is the attributes of God. It means that it is the quality to serve the gods. Okay children, now also after that, not to be greedy. Yes children, people who are greedy can never be happy in their life. Greed can never be satisfied. It is the something which has no limit. Greed can make people do even they things which are likely to be impossible. So children, we should never be greedy. Yes, we should never be greedy, and it is very bad thing. So always try to give your things. If someone in any if need any help, you should do. And in to giving the service, not need to not we should not take anything. Never be greedy, because greedy people, they can never be happy, because no any limitation of our satisfaction. So children, you should never be greedy. Now next one is here, help your parents in keeping the house clean. Yes children, this is also a good way to keep the house clean, and you can help your parents. Like you can do, like children, there are many ways to help your parents at home. At home you can clean your computer and laptop when your mom say to do, and also you serve your glass of water. You can serve a glass of water, and also little other things. You can arrange your book shelves, you can broom the house, and many little bit things you can do. And whenever you will do children, and if you will do, you can be a good child. So always try to help your mother in small work. Okay children, like you can arrange yourself, you can keep you can keep your toys at a proper place. Understood children? And now you can take the water by yourself, you can clean the shelves, you can arrange your bags, many things, little bit things. If you will do, this will be the help, it will provide the help of your parents. So you should always try to do and this is the also a way to keep to be a good child. Understood children? Now next one, after that, next one is here, always use polite words. Yes, polite word. Yeah, because politeness help us to deal with other people easily and smoothly, and also it help us to get on with the strangers in a crowded place. So polite words you can like you can use here. Thank you. If you are like children, if something some if you are if you want to take anything, and if their person are giving to you, in that time you can say thank you. In reply you can say thank you. Another one, like also you can use here sorry. Yes children, you can also speak sorry if you have hurt someone. If you have done any mistake, by the helping the sorry, it will be what it makes the happy feel good. So children, if you have hurt someone, to in that time you can use the polite word of sorry. Spelling of sorry, SORRY, sorry. Now next one is here. After that, excuse me. If you are going to say something to others, in between of them, so indirectly you do not interrupt them. First you should say excuse me. Spelling of excuse me, EXCUSE, excuse me. Okay children, now after that, never hurt anybody, yes, by your rude behavior. Yes children, you should never try to hurt to your elders, to your youngers, to your parents, okay, to your friends. Never hurts to your by your rude behavior. You should always talk with politeness, with what humble. You should always talk very sharply. Whenever you will speak slowly, whenever you will talk slowly, it will be make many friends, they will love to you. So children, you should always try to talk in soft way. Understood children? So this is the way to be a good child. Whenever you will not hurt to others with your rude behavior, bad behavior. Okay children, so always talk with in politeness. Understood children? Now next one is here. After that, be quiet. Yes, be quiet when elders is called. Yes children, if you have done any mistake, if any type of mistake, if you have done maybe any wrong things you have done, in that time children, you should not speak loudly on them. You should try to listen what are they speaking. Your elders are speaking, telling something to you. Try to understand and just and use in your life why you have done mistakes. So try to understand. Never uh, what never speak loudly. Try to understood children. And if you have done, in the reply you can say sorry. Understood children? Now next one is here. So children, first, these are the manners, these are the good way to be a good child. Like one time again I am revising. After me you all will speak. Like, be quiet when elders is called. Never hurt anybody by your rude behavior. Spelling of behavior, BEHAVIOUR, behavior. Now after that, excuse me. Excuse me, sorry, please. These are the these are the polite words. And whenever you use this type of word children, it makes the person great also. So what you will say, always use polite words. Now after that, help your parents in keeping the house clean. By the helping your parents in small type of work, you can be a good child. So always try to help. Like you can broom the house, you can clean the shelves, many things that whenever you will help, it will be make you great. Now don't be greedy. Yes children, because it is the not good things. Whenever you, because satisfaction here is not any ended of a satisfaction. So we should never be a greedy. Always try to help to others. Always remember generosity. It means sharing things what you have. Now next one, be kind to everyone. Yes, never try to hurt them. Always be kind, because whenever you will kind, whenever you will share your things, it will also makes you great. Understood children? So be kind to everyone. Now obey your elders. Obey your elders. This is the also way to keep you to makes you great. OBEY, obey, YOURO, ELDERS, elder. So children, what will you do? You all will learn these what good manners, okay, things to be a good child also. And at home what will you do? And you all will write 5 things to be a good child. Understood children? Now after that what we all will do? We all will learn the quotations, like quotation number 5. Quotation number 5 is here, and also we will underline the hard words. To give and to be generous are the attributes of good. Generous, it means sharing things what you have. Attribute, it means it is a something you have qualities. So what generous spelling? GENEROUS, generous. And attributes, ATTRI, attributes, buttes, attributes, it means quality. So it is the best quality, it is the best way to serve the God. So sharing what you have. So to give and to be generous are the attributes of gods. Again I am saying, to give and to be generous, GENEROUS, generous. To give and to be generous are the attributes of God. Now sir, next one is here, next quotation. Ye are the fruits of one tree and the leaves of one branch. Yes, we all are the person, we all are the like a fruits, because we all are the what person of gods. We all are what servant of gods, it means here one of tree, and tree is here what our God. So ye are the fruits of one tree, we all are the like a fruits of tree, it means our God. So we should always, and also leaves of one branch, and also we are the leaves of one branch. Understood children? Leaves spelling LEAVES, leaves, BRANCH, branch, leaves of branch. Again I am saying, ye are the fruits of one tree and the leaves of one branch. Now after that is here what? To give and to be generous are the attributes of gods. So what will you do children? You all will write the quotation number 5 and 6 in your copy, and after that you all will learn the what good habits, good manner, and also things to be a good child. Understood children? So I hope you all have understood very nicely. At home you all will read, and by the help of this video you can also try to understand your topics, today's topic. So for today I would like to say you thank you and have a good day.